Imagine a world dominated by colossal avian predators, the terror birds. Originating from South America during the Cenozoic era, these towering terror birds thrived for 2 million years. Standing 10 feet tall, they sported bone-snapping beaks, zooming at 30 miles per hour on powerful legs. But brace yourself, these monstrous birds didn't hunt alone. Instead, they hunted in packs, a shocking revelation that created an awe-inspiring and hair-raising avian spectacle. In the world of terror birds, mating was a survival dance. With females as selective apex predators, males fiercely vied for attention, clashing brutally and flaunting vibrant colors. The victor earned an alliance, crafting nests for oversized eggs. Yet, new predators and a shifting environment eventually ended their reign, marking extinction for these nightmarish titans. The terror birds etch an unforgettable, ever-evolving chapter in our planet's history.